food soup and compromising $500,000 on the coupe.
Feel like I'm drowning. Save me, save me, save me.
Baby.
Feel like I'm drowning. Down in the deep end.
What's up, what it do, YouTube? It is your girl Joc, and I'm back today with another video for you guys. Go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification bell so you do not miss a video. Y'all, it is so cold. Like, it is legit, like, so cold. I don't even know, like, how to feel about it being so cold, because it's just like, I don't even know. So just excuse the fact that y'all, if y'all hear my heater or my dogs walk around in the background, we trying to get, work done, content out, and the fur babies is here. So today we gonna be filling in my Christmas nails. And y'all, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is my first time ever doing a fill-in on myself. Like, well, I did a fill-in on myself like back in the day when I used to go to the shop to get my nails done, and then my mom be like, I'm not paying for you to get your nails redid. I'm not paying for no fill-in. Then I used to fill my nails in myself, but as far as like me doing my own nails and being so far in my career, I never do a fill-in. Like, I always do a new full set every time. So I'm very proud of myself, because normally when I break a nail, I just be like, girl, I'm not gonna fill these in. There's no point in repairing a nail on yourself. Girl, I repaired this pinky nail and the girl is back in action. So yeah, get into it. So I'm removing the design with my sanding band. I don't even know which sanding band these are off rip, but they will be on my Amazon storefront, because I did get them off Amazon, and a nail haul I did. So make sure you're looking for that. And after I remove this design off both of my hands, I'm going to go clean up my cuticle area, because I had already been planning. Y'all, I don't know, it's something about, I guess because I normally don't do a fill-in on myself, and that'd be part of the reason why too. I be playing in my cuticles once they start growing out. Like, I hate for them to look thick and overgrown. Like, I don't know, it's just a pet peeve of mine. So some of my cuticles already look like pushed back and stuff, because I dig in my hands, because I hate for my cuticles to look bad. So yeah, see y'all in the next piece. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off.
What's that sound in the other one? It's like real, it's like real, it's like real, it's like real.
I don't know my name. Toriana, Monique, Bettiana, Shanice, Krista, Unique, India, Harry. Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Painless, are you painless? Painless, are you painless? Only time I call when it's raining. How you for my dog and you a human? I'ma give you some of my shame, you need some more. Y'all tell me, yeah, but what's her name? I don't know. Am I recovering from amnesia? Whoa, put it in the belly, but the name ain't Keisha. No, so I make her sick by the name ain't Keisha Cole. I could've swore your name was Ashley. My nigga said your name was Mallory. On the tip of my tongue, I know it's Tiffany. Oh, and my cell phone ain't whispering. Now it ain't whispering now. But I got you on a speed dial. So I got you on a speed dial.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
Now I'm going to clean my cuticle area. Y'all, I do not know the name of this drill bit, because this is not the original drill bit that I used to use to clean my cuticle areas. I used to use the thinner needle one, but it broke on me one day. and it broke on me unexpectedly, so I had to use what I had. And I have this pack of drill bits, and I have no clue where I got them from because I had them for so long. And I really want to say my mama probably bought them for me because they look pretty and they was rainbow, so I know that's why she picked them up. But I don't know where they came from, but I fell in love with this drill bit after my other drill bit broke, so it was probably a blessing in disguise that the other drill bit broke. If you know the name of this drill bit right offhand, somebody comment down in the comment section below. You know, teach me while I teach y'all. Help me out.
With my ratchet ass friends.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that?
So now we're gonna go in with a new sanding band, because as y'all can see, the two sanding bands that are on the desk in the background, they are ran down from removing my designs. So now you are going to go with the new sanding band and remove any of the dead skin that you have lifted or that is just hanging around the nail bed. You're gonna remove any dead skin, any oil, because you want these nails to be squeaky clean and ready for your fill-in. And after this, excuse me, after this, you go in with your 2 rounds of, I do 2 rounds of no lift primer. To each his own. You know, everybody do something different, but 2 coats of no lift primer for me, baby, gets the job done. So yeah.
You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special who blow, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than you know, and she like, I did. How you get that shit, you got a man on your hoe. Let me be sit with y'all too rich to drive a road. Pop my shit like plumber, me and gun diamond flex. I'm gon' ball out summer, just all grinding for a month. Lil' hop out dump, shit, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
Yeah. Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they gon' ride years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the panty is rare. Michael Ryan's for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, or Linda Felicia. She came for me twice, I didn't even know her once. She know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go late with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. But soon as
just want y'all to watch how smooth this bead blends into this nail for this fill-in. Y'all look at it. It's already done. I ain't even got to keep doing that. Y'all look at it. I'm done already. I am done already. Smooth like butter, baby. Smooth like butter. We're using Young Nails Cherry Cover Blossom and Young Nails Monomer. Y'all, that was smooth like butter in under 5 seconds. Stop playing with your girl. I ain't gonna keep talking though, for real. Y'all, I'm gonna let y'all watch the application process and I'll come back when it's time for designs.
And on my mind, I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind. Not my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. To repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple right, watch his ass get bigger. Drinking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass toe. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I came in with my stack up. Tired ass hoes to my page tryna track us. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby hot, I ain't fighting with no random period. You bitches weak, is you serious? I let him take the pussy, now he acting all delirious. See the dash in the road, but I can space the furious. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. He gon' buy me Gucci if I ask for it. to back up.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Sing a fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a C4. My whole flow like a C4. Funny, all rolling. Big hot keys in the trash, big rolling. Tick-tick-tock, tick-tock, glass, red hair full of girls, and they all so foreign. Rain so poison, rainbows flowing. Nice skin chick, first light come on. All right, thanks, first light come on. They loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew, oh, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. They loving the crew, they loving the crew. Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Sing a fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a C4. My whole flow like a C4.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this set took me a while to do, but it's not because it was time consuming, but it was just because I really was coming up with finger by finger in my brain what I wanted to do. So, you know, y'all just bear with me while I'm doing this because I'm thinking as I'm going. But I am going to use my Macart bling adhesive. Make sure y'all use my code. I think my code with Macart is the JOC. If I said it wrong, whatever pops up on the screen will be correct. But I'm gonna go around the nail because I'm creating this like the little chrome hollow hole, a hollow chrome hole. I don't know what it's called, but I'm just doing that little thing, that design on my finger. And I'm not leaving the line straight. I'm purposely like coming in, making it look like, you know, rigid. Like I don't want it to be a straight square line going around, like, you know. So I did want it to have some kind of different kind of shape and texture to it. So I'm going to cure it, and after I cure it, y'all gonna see me paint this nail silver. Then I am going to go over the clear one more time because I want it to be a little bit more 3D and standoffish of the nail. But to each his own. If you like the way yours look, you do not have to go over it a second time. I just wanted mine to be a little bit more 3D, and I didn't want to use too much gel the first time because you don't want it to be too bulky and the gel will begin to run because it is a thinner gel in a sense, even though it is thick. And this Madam Glam Silver Chrome Gel Paint, for Madam Glam products, y'all use my code TheJOC30. This is my first time using this product, and this is also their application brush as well. I'm assuming that the application brush is for the gel paints, but a little bit of this chrome paint will take you a long way. You do not need a lot, y'all, because as you can see, it was a lot of paint on my nail, and I didn't even dip my brush into the gel pod. I just used the excess, y'all. I'm gonna save some coins, even though this was sent to me for promo. I'm gonna save some coins, honey, and I used the gel that came off of the back of the, you know, the rip-off tab, you know, because we're gonna use everything. We're not wasting anything. But yeah, so we done cured that, and y'all, this is my first time using chrome paint, and it really looked like chrome. Like I was fascinated myself while I was doing this because I was like, dang, you didn't even tell me I've been not the studio right now. Can we not play this right now? But I was really fascinated with the chrome paint really looking like chrome because I ain't never used this before, and I ain't gonna lie, if I can find this chrome paint in every color, I'm not going back to using regular chrome powders because that extra step of painting the nail and then going over it and then wiping with alcohol to make sure that the negative space don't get dirty with the chrome. Y'all, chrome paint, I recommend highly, 10 out of 10. You know, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't even need a lot because it is highly pigmented.
than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. You want me to teach thee techniques that fix these boys. It can't be done, just the things get caught. Watch if you're smart.
And this chainmail, I'm gonna explain it to y'all just in case y'all don't know how to do it, because I don't see too many people use chains on their nails. So I'll explain to you what I'm doing just in case you don't know what to do. I'm using my bling adhesive that I use for all my stones. Any stone you see me use today is also that same gel that you see me create my 3D lines with. So I just went and did like a random shape in the nail, and the chain is going to stick to the adhesive because it's glue, right? So you could pre-cut the chain before you put it in there, but sometimes when I try to pre-cut the chain, it gets sliding and it moves. So I'm gonna just put my whole hand in there to cure like that, and it's frozen in place. And we're gonna take, you can take the cuticle, excuse me, take the cuticle cutter and cut the excess chain, and boom, perfect, in the perfect shape. And for that nail, that's gonna be a full bling nail. But y'all see right here, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. I'm talking to myself in my head, trying to figure out what the heck I'm finna do.
She said, you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, boy, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about they girls, no way. Hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day. Hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in. It's too sweet, now that's gangsta. And I got special ways to thank ya. But don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave him. But you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said,
you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
okay.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy.
Okay.
Remember that.
You didn't come this far just to come this far.
Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why I'm American Express. My love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. Where I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous.
And for this pinky nail, I'm gonna be creating the airbrush effect without using my airbrush machine, because I told y'all my airbrush machine big as hell. I hate dragging that thing out. So we're gonna use this pigment powder since we're doing this one nail, and I'm just gonna go in the middle because I want it to look like the airbrush effect. Like I want it to look like a Aurora nail, and I only want it in that spot. So I'm only gonna put it in that spot, deep pink, and then you want it to fade out around the edges, and boom, I think I did it. Now we're gonna go create these 3D blobs. I don't know what you call these, but we're gonna go create these 3D blobs with that same bling gel, and we're gonna paint over them, and stay tuned.
And I'm tryna hit the rap. And I'm tryna hit the.
This one I better do me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me big man wait to be what's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and be myself. So anything when you do, I dey try to do I'm way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people, die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen traits. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the straight, you are not my mate. If you become a chef, never be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Talking the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from a mile ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci, but the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the other girls, they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
Unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just, yeah. Done just, you.
Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like me, they chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so blame me, mom. You go do you one time, I'll be for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no they walk up. Man, no be God up. Make them they talk up. I should they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, bossa, do. Lego sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get it wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me. Young guys. Yeah, right. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 of my yearnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is right. All these thoughts I'm troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Starting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seagull. My seagull. Money, all rolling. Big car keys in the trash, they rolling. Treat to me tight. Two-time class with a handful of girls. They all so foreign. Bring some poison, rainbows flowing. Light skin chick, first light from calling. Whole lot of fans, first light from calling. Full of fish, they loving the crew. They loving the crew. They loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew. They loving the crew. They loving the crew. They loving the crew. Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seagull. My seagull.
I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, but spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. I war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you cool better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want.
whatever I need is about.